We started out in a porter cabin with this vision of building the MTC as a 40,000 square metre factory where we would be able to test processes and manufacturing techniques on a factory scale. And we had a blinding flash of the obvious that if we continued to develop these high value manufacturing techniques and processes but we didn't train people to use them, then we would still have a skills gap in the UK in 10 years' time. I happened to meet a guy called David Richardson from Lloyds Bank, and I was telling him this story of what we needed to do, and he said, how can the bank help? And I said, well, traditionally the banks sponsor sporting events such as the Olympic Games or whatever, but you tell me that you're the bank for manufacturers. Why don't you sponsor something in manufacturing? Why not sponsor our training centre? And I think the rest is history really. We have the first 100 apprentices going through the scheme.
It's a 4-year scheme, just started my 2nd year. When I came here I was just amazed at what was here, what they do and what's on offer. So that's when I got really excited about doing the apprenticeship. When I finished school I went to university because I didn't really know what else I wanted to do. So I did media and communication for 2 years at university and I decided I didn't really like it, so I left. One of my friends works for Rolls-Royce and he spends a lot of his time at AMTC and he recommended AMTC to me. I'd like to specialise in automation, so it's working with robots, so it's really exciting technology to work with. In the future I would actually like to go back to university and become a research engineer. So it's developing new technologies, new ways of working, and it's what the MTC is all about really.
We're seeing big bow waves of technology change coming through in manufacturing processes, more now than we've ever seen before, and that means that we just have to be more responsive and have people who are skilled at being able to use new stuff quickly and pick up new ways of working. We're doing our bit for trying to change the way that manufacturing and engineering is perceived. There seems to be a pervading perception that manufacturing is this dirty job. Actually, manufacturing today is about computers, it's about lasers, electron beams, it's about robots. You know, it's high tech and it's clean.
We get to work with top of the range machinery and equipment. We get to learn from really skilled engineers, and we get on-hand experience, and that's probably the best thing. You're already working in a real life situation, so when you finish the apprenticeship you're ready for work and you don't just learn in a classroom, you learn in hands-on. I would recommend anyone to do an apprenticeship that was thinking about it. If you think it's for you, then it probably is. It's a great place to learn.
What makes me smile the most at MTC, I think it's the people. And I'm really proud of what all of the people here have achieved in 5 years. And it's great to be at the helm of a company like that because they don't often make me look good.